It's Squad Build Across, and I'm going to paint this Mermaid Painting for Two paint by line kit for you guys today. Everything that you need to complete this project, including the cutout, the paint, the brushes, and the Sharpie marker, will be included when you purchase this kit. I'm going to go in first and begin to base coat my skyline first with this yellow color, just brushing it into the bottom. And don't worry if you get outside the lines on this step. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of orange. And then I'm just going to base coat that, getting it on my product before I blend. And now that it's on my project, I'm going to begin to blend those two colors together just at that line. And then I'm going to go in with red and do the same thing. So I'm just base coating it, put it on the product. And then just blend until I'm happy with the way it looks. And then I'm going to go in and paint my water in this deep blue color. And I'm going to go almost all the way down to the bottom of the cutout, but I'm going to leave just a little area. And again, don't worry about getting outside the lines. So now I'm going to go in and blend some black into the bottom. Just blend that up. And then I'm going to go in and blend a little bit of white in the center here, like the moon is shining on the water. And now I'm going in with gray and adding this to the top of my rock. And then I'm going to go in with charcoal and blend that in, or put it on the next section of the rock, and then I'll blend those two colors together. And then I'm going to go in and blend black into the very bottom of the rock. And then I'm going to go in and do the same thing on these little mountains here. I'm just going to blend the charcoal into the bottom and then the light gray on the top. And I don't clean my brushes in between different colors whenever I'm blending. I'll just wipe it off like on a paper towel. I'm getting most of the excess paint off, because if you wash it, it just takes more time. Plus, if you don't wash it, you'll kind of blend some of those colors and it'll just kind of add to the blending more naturally. Now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outlining and filling in my palm tree here in my mermaid. And I'm also going to outline everything with that Sharpie marker. And then I'm going to go in with the color white and a number 4 round and highlight everything. And whenever I highlight, I like to follow kind of the way that my product curves and hug close to the edges of my, art that I have on the different cutouts. And after that, I will be done. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.